Activating your current debit card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. To begin, ensure you have received your debit card and the accompanying documentation, including your personal identification number or PIN. First, review the documentation provided by your bank to understand their specific activation process. Most banks offer multiple activation methods, including online banking, mobile banking, phone banking, or visiting a bank branch in person. To activate your debit card online, log into your bank's website and navigate to the debit card activation section. Enter your debit card details, including the card number and expiration date, and follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Alternatively, you can activate your debit card using your bank's mobile banking app. Simply log into the app, select the debit card activation option, and enter the required details to complete the process. If you prefer to activate your debit card over the phone, call your bank's customer service number and follow the automated prompts to complete the activation process. You will need to provide your debit card details and verify your identity to complete the activation. Once you have activated your debit card, you will need to create a PIN. This can usually be done during the activation process or by visiting a bank branch in person. Your PIN is a unique 4-digit code that is used to authorize transactions and access your account. After activating your debit card and creating a PIN, you can start using your card to make purchases, withdraw cash, and access your account online or through mobile banking. It is essential to keep your debit card and PIN safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Best practices for debit card activation include keeping your debit card and PIN confidential, monitoring your account regularly for suspicious activity, and reporting any issues or concerns to your bank immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a smooth and secure debit card activation process.